Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. And you can see with the key fob here I can operate both sliding doors and the power trunk hatch. The conversion is a rear entry manual ramp, very easy to operate. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch here at the end, flip these up. It's got a handle on either side. I take it to the ground. Look, all I have to do is use my index finger to take that to the ground. Weighs about as much as a gallon of milk. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than the side entry. That's one of the reasons I like these rear entries. It does taper down to 32 inches there at the base. It does have 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Between the second row of seats, there's about 21 inches of room. So usually what the drivers or passengers in the wheelchair will roll up between those seats, or their legs will sit in between those seats and their bottom slightly behind it. If you want us to remove one of those seats to make more room so you can get up to the front, or we have seats that'll flip up on their side, we can also install those as well. So talk to us about what you need, what you're looking for, and we can make it happen. There's no one size fits all, of course, so just let us know what you're looking for. It has rear air controls. The dash looks excellent condition. It's got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got your backup camera, navigation, Bluetooth, hook it up to your phone, dual climate control, rear air, plenty of plug-ins, nice center console there, these leather seats. If you're going to use this for, say, a taxi cab and you want these doors to be manual, you hit the off button there, slide them shut like a manual sliding door. If you want them back to power, hit the power button there, and they'll slide up back to power. So easy as a touch of a button, whether you want manual or electric doors on this van. It does come with a free set of pull-tight Q-string tie-downs with each van. When it's time to put it away, look there, one finger. Put it right back up, very easy to do. Very low cost to maintain. Those electric ramps and doors are nice, but they are extremely expensive when something goes wrong. As far as the exterior of the van, very clean, tinted windows in the rear, alloy wheels, 4 brand new tires on this van. It is ready to roll. The body's in excellent condition. You're going to have a hard time finding a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect. I'm not saying it's brand new, but I'm saying it's been very well taken care of. It's very clean. We only buy the cleanest of the clean vans. I'm not looking for salvage. I'm not looking for rebuilders. I'm not looking for accident vehicles. I'm looking for nice, clean vehicles. Roof looks great. Has the roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. Just a beautiful van. I love this color. Very rare color. Hard to find, but it's just a real nice, sharp looking van. On the interior, we always show you the VIN number. That way you know we have this vehicle in our possession. Speaking of that VIN number, on our website we provide a free Carfax report with all of our vehicles. You can see this one has no damage or accidents reported, 3 previous owners, some service records, last owned in California, a rust-free area. Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. Never been a total loss, no structural damage, no airbags have ever been deployed, odometer checks out good, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. So you can scroll down, see this as much as detailed as you want, but you can see the vehicle has been regularly serviced as well, which is exactly what we're looking for. So very clean title. We go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. Another great feature this van has is the remote start. And don't think this is just a wintertime thing. Yeah, it's nice to come out to a vehicle that's nice and warm with the windows defrosted, but it's also really nice on a 100-degree day to come out to a vehicle that's nice and cooled off. So it does have the 1 key fob. If you want us to get additional key fobs made on your dime, we can do that, but I wanted to show you that remote start. As far as the rest of the interior, has dual power seats. We've tested, they both work fine. Leather interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. I've got these doors manual right now, so they'll slide right open. Rear seats are in excellent condition. Just a super clean van inside now. And one thing I love about these GTs is they've got this plug back here. Now, if anybody, if you use medical equipment or something like that and you need to plug something in, these GTs are one of the few vans that actually have that. So super cool feature. When I go to turn the van on, fires right up, first time, every time. No check engine lights on, no airbag lights, none of the dummy lights. Current miles 98,820 miles. You see, like I said, you got the backup camera, got the navigation as well, with the nav button there, so you got your navigation. And we've also I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We tested everything big and small. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks, heat, air, cruise. This is not some van that you come look at or that we send out to you and it's got a bunch of issues we didn't tell you about. That is not how I do business. And if you've been shopping for used vehicles long, unfortunately that's how a lot of people do business. They don't tell you the whole story, but that's why I'm making this video, so you can get the whole story. Underneath the hood, 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any excess, water damage like it was in a flood or anything like that. Got your emission sticker right there. We check these over very thorough before we buy them. Like I mentioned, we're trying to buy nice, clean vehicles, and you can see underneath, looks like a California van. I don't see any signs of any rust. I don't see any signs of bent metal from an accident. I don't see any signs of any leaks. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesperson was nice to them. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusty underneath. And I want you to go look at our competition. Go look at their pictures right now. How many pictures do they show you of the undercarriage of the van? That's very important to make sure it's not all rusted out. There's no bent metal underneath there. There's no signs of a flood. And there's a reason for that. A lot of them are buying these vans from New York and Chicago, buying them with all this rust on them so they can save a buck or two when they buy the chassis. Or they're buying ones that have been in a flood or ones that have been in an accident. And not every flood, not every accident gets reported to Carfax, So, and a lot of them don't even show you a Carfax report. So my point is, people get burned on the internet every day, every single day. Don't be one of those people. Don't assume things. Demand a detailed video just like this. And if the van gets out to your house, on the back of a truck, or you go pick it up and you find out it's got a bunch of issues they didn't tell you about, and you didn't demand a detailed video, you only have yourself to blame. So don't get taken advantage of. Demand a detailed video just like so. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on a test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and that whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy, that it runs and drives nice, steering wheel is nice and straight, the van tracks nicely down the highway. No unusual noise or vibration. With all this being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. We highly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. Talk to me about those. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to about 8 years. So, protect your investment, folks. Also, keep in mind that nobody in the country, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. We do these detailed videos. We have dozens of pictures. We provide free Carfax reports, and we do detailed descriptions as well, along with having these vehicles inspected by our 3 mechanics. So if you think all dealers are the same, if you think buying from an individual is the same as buying from a dealer or better than buying from a dealer, that may be true in some cases, but when it's compared to us, you got another thing coming. We go the extra mile to show you exactly what you're getting. Also keep in mind we have a great reputation. Last I saw on Google, we had 4.7 out of 5 stars on reviews. On eBay, we had over 800 transactions. Everyone left us positive reviews. That's 800 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. So we've got a great track record. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online, and then when you get out there or start talking to them, they've got a $500 dock fee and a tag fee and an administrative fee. All these fees they make up to try and get more money on the back end. And then you calculate shipping. We do free shipping. They don't. So next thing you know, that real nice price is $2,000 or $3,000 more than you expected. So let me give it a nice hard brake here. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. Back to the fees. My point is, if someone's going to tell me the price of a vehicle is $10,000, other than obvious sales tax, but if the price is $10,000, it needs to be $10,000. I don't want to hear about your fees and all this stuff on the back end you're adding on. You're not being honest with me. You're not telling me the real price. Our price you see is the price shipped to your door. So, if you want to do business with people that aren't honest with you from the very start, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding a salvage title? Are they hiding mechanical issues? I don't know, but if someone's not being upfront and honest from the start, I can promise you there's more that they're hiding they're not telling you about. So if you ever want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to ask the competition, especially those big companies. I want you to say, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Because Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility, I've got his cell phone number if I need anything. So 316-518-4377. Ask those Braun companies, those VMI companies, Freedom Motors, Mobility Works. Ask them for the owner's cell phone number. Let's see how they do with that. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email address. Or if you're old school and you're not real big on technology, that's okay. We can take one over the phone. We are here to help, so let us know how we can help. And see our entire inventory with detailed videos and Carfax reports at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even standard vehicles or mobility vehicles. We do take trade-ins. Give us a call, see what we can do to help you. And I just wanted to thank you all for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.